Now for the finishing touch, the Wavy Talk hair dryer, which also comes in several different colors. You can clearly see that that's a big deal for me. Everything I have to get is purple. This is a small hair dryer. It looks very small, but it is quite powerful. It's pretty good weight, and it gets very warm and very powerful. They say not to use the attachments when you have the speed and the heat on high, and I would recommend that because it does get super hot. It works very well, and I have thicker hair, and it takes between 5 to 7 minutes to dry my hair. I love it. I've linked it below.